Hey everybody, just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to use the T-Seal finishing sheet. When you first receive this, there is a step that you have to do on the initial use. You don't have to do it again, but when you first receive the T-Seal sheet, you'll notice that one side feels like a slick sheet of paper, and then the other side has a rubbery feel. The very first time that you get it, it's going to feel smooth. What you want to do is take that rubbery side, place it face down on your heat press by itself. You're going to preheat your heat press up to about 290 degrees, and then you want to press that T-Seal sheet for about 20 seconds. Again, no shirt, nothing on it. Make sure that the rubber side is facing the non-heated side of your heat press. Typically the heat source is up on the top portion here, and the bottom mat is not heated. Once you prep your T-Seal sheet for 20 seconds, then when you remove it, let it cool down, feel that rubbery side again, and now it will have a texture grid side. Once your T-Seal sheet has been prepped for use, you can use it on your t-shirts for that finishing press. So again, you'll want to use the rubber side. It should now have that grid texture. You will place that on top of your t-shirt design. This is after you've peeled your film away from the shirt. That rubber side is going to be touching the image side of your design, and then you'll go ahead and you'll press your shirt for 20 seconds. When using the T-Seal sheet, you should never exceed 300 degrees. We will typically set our temperature at about 290 degrees. And so again, you'll go ahead, you'll press your shirt at 290 degrees for about 20 seconds. That's for cotton poly blend shirts. If you're using a polyester shirt, you will probably need to reduce the overall heat on your heat press.